we continue in the rotation. And a warm welcome to one and all. For those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the very tired Scruffy trader. It's currently 5 to 7 in the morning. I'm about to switch the camera on and do an early morning trade. And if you followed the series of these videos, the idea is to just set and forget once a day and hopefully make some form of a nest egg. That's the general idea. We're kind of coming up to the home straight. So it's had its moments, it's had its highs, its lows, its tears, its anger. But it's starting to sort of fit together a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep today really punchy. There's not really a lot I can add. It's just I want to sort of see it to the end, if you like. So what I'm going to do is I'll flick this over. We'll have a quick look at the scores on the doors, and we shall see how it pans out. Okay, so let's have a look, see where we're at. So this is short yesterday. Life was pretty good. So let's copy it. Well, I will do in a minute. Copy that into there. Okay, so the scores on the doors. We're nearly at £900, 897. We've increased the pot this month 47%. So it's quite fine. And we're looking for anything over sort of £10.77. That's our little target today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now looking at it, looks like we're going short this morning, but might have to wait a little bit for the candles to play out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just leave the camera running. You'll see the orders starting to come in, and I'll come back to you at the end, and hopefully we'll be into the home straight by getting into £900 territory. And see how we get on. Okay guys, it's 8:15, so I'm just going to let this run out. Target stops are in place. It's gone, it hasn't gone as far against me as it looks, to be honest. Still well within the parameters, and I'm just going to let it run down. I'll catch it when I get home tonight. Simple as that. So have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you tonight.
We're waiting.
Okay guys, I'm back. It's coming on 5:20. It's been quite a long day today. I'm just going to make this pretty quick. It's just an update to see if we're getting any closer. Let's have a look. Well, there's no orders, so that must mean, yep, 11.54. Okay, and I know it's chicken scratches. I genuinely do. But they all add up. And when you think about it, we're dealing with pennies. So let's see where we're up to. 897, 73. We're still pretty rough with this. I only did 2 positions today. I was going to update, however I forgot to change the order and left it at 50p 50p instead of adding the extra 5p. Force of habit, I think. Anyway, let's have a look. So that one crashed out, did very well, and the runner, well, not so much, because it was 468 and the broken part got stopped up. But we did okay, you know. I'm not worried about sort of swinging for the fences, and certainly not this week, because this week is just, it's flat. There's nothing going on anywhere, and it is incredibly hard work across the board. So if I can pull in the 1% that I'm after each day on this result, but I'm going to touch on that 1% now, just before I sign off for the night. Anyway, we still on the thing, we're on the home straight. See if we can get there this week. So what was I getting at about the 1%? When you've got a micro account and you target 1%, relatively easy to achieve, because by nature of what you're doing, you're going to be at 50p a position, which is kind of the smallest position my particular broker can take. So it doesn't take a lot to do 10 quid, not really. If you have a large account, say 50,000 or a 6-figure account, and you're looking to do 1% a day, it comes a different ball game. And that's because not only is the monetary value bigger, it's the stress factor. And the stress factor is something that you either have it or you don't. Discipline and dealing with your emotions is very difficult. So to find trades to do a tenner, it's like, it's easy that. And instinctively you think, well, if I can do it on 50p a position, can I do it on £50 a position? Well, pause a second there, because it really is the yin and the yang. You know, are you bothered about losing a tenner? Yeah. Bothered about losing 5,000 or 6,000 quid in a go? That'll wake you up in the morning, because you probably haven't slept from the night before. So what I would say is, don't be dazzled by the percentages, because it looks fantastic. Massive growth. You will get big growths on small accounts, but once you go into accounts that are 10,000 plus, those percentages really want to be coming the other way, you know, down to maybe 0.25% a day, and it helps with the psyche, because the numbers that you play with get very big very quick, and it's something you need to adapt to. And the easiest way to adapt to it is slowly. So look for maybe 0.25% and be comfortable with that, and then edge it up. and a little bit more, and then edge it up. A little bit like going to the gym and picking up the weights. You're not going to go and pick the Grip Big Billy Bollocks bar first. You might, but you'll feel it the next day. You start on the small dumbbells. Get your arms used to the weights, and then edge it up a little bit and a little bit. You'll get stronger, and the muscle memory gets better. Trading is no different. It really is about discipline and routines. Same as lifting weights. Anyway, just a final thought before I sign off. We'll rock on and do it again tomorrow. So, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, what you love, and the money will follow. You are the next one.